Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an inquiry about property on the realestate.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the area or the property that you are interested in. Then you should tap on the enquire button down below. Here you can ask about this property. Tap on the button and click on add the message, so type in your question. Tap on done. Then you should enter your details including your name, then your email address and your phone number as well. Then tap on the send inquiry button at the bottom of the page to send your question to the agent so that you can receive an answer as soon as possible. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.